I dropped the kids off at school in a blizzard today because yes, school was still open. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're a parent living where winter does the most, this video is for you. Today we are navigating school drop-off in a full-on blizzard. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. And if you've been here before, thank you for coming back. I don't take that lightly. It really means a lot. We're about to take the road, so let me dust off my feet, pray, and leave the rest to God because it's about to be a war.
Yes.
Mama, watch out for the snow.
I know. At this point, my car sensors were going off because it was snowing so hard. And honestly, I started regretting leaving the house with the girls.
I am calling one car, red heart, 2 hearts on the mobile phone.
Beaucoup de neige, oui. Il y a beaucoup de neige.
This road is usually packed with cars, but today it's empty like a desert.
It is cold and it's very snowy. Okay, let's go. Let's go. I know where you're going. Marchez vite, vite.
We finally made it to school, and surprisingly, there were a lot of kids. You would think most parents would keep their kids at home, but no. Some parents can't miss work even in bad weather. Others rely on school for childcare and meals. And there's always that group that thinks, if school is open, we're going. You will definitely find me in that group chat. If you're enjoying this video and you're not subscribed yet, I'd love to have you here. Hello. So just dropped her class. And I'm ready to go to work.
C'est ça quoi. On se dépose à l'école. J'espère que j'ai rien oublié. Ok.
When I got home, Hasby was already waiting for me outside because I had called him earlier so he could help me park the car. I was not going to take the chance of parking the car in this weather. Honestly, this was the smoothest school drop-off despite the weather. Be honest, would you have kept your kids at home? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, kudos.